If the timing components are not changed on time, you can say bye-bye to your engine. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Dodge Charger. If you have one of those and you wonder, okay, I have the 3.6 engine, do I have timing chain, timing belt? If I have either of those, how often I need to replace it? Some people will say belts you have to replace, chains don't. Well, we'll prove you wrong and we'll explain why. So make sure to stay until the end and we'll talk about that today. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make, guys, at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. On that Dodge Charger we'll have even more. Why we do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need, guys, in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos, absolutely free. And if you guys need to buy any parts, tools for your Dodge Charger or any car, you want to get them at a good price and quick shipping, you want to save money, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from, and we'll share where you can find even additional things. So what we have specifically here, 2018 Dodge. Now that specifically, guys, is a 3.6 engine. That's quite common on Dodge Chargers. Now looking at the engine, guys, usually the ones that come with timing belts, okay, timing belt engines are a little bit more different. You have covers on the front usually. Sometimes they still may be aluminum covers, but often, guys, okay, on most modern cars, okay, timing belts are dry, okay, they're not submerged in oil, with some exceptions. There are some that are oil lube timing belts, and we've seen some of those. This one is a dry belt. This one is not a dry belt actually. This is, guys, if you remove the cover right here, it's a timing chain. Let's go ahead and remove that, and we're going to talk about that now. So this is, guys, the timing, okay, timing chain components right here. Now most people will say, oh, I have a chain, I don't need to worry about replacing that. Yeah, but you're wrong. Recently, guys, we replaced 2 timing chains on BMWs that failed. We replaced another one, okay, we were working on a Chrysler engine where the timing chain tensioner failed. So most of the times the timing chain tensioner is a hydraulic tensioner, guys. It's a hydraulic tensioner that's run by the engine oil pressure. When you have oil pressure, that tensioner will put tension on the chain, so you have a constant tension on that chain. And when you turn the car off, there is a special tube that prevents that from the chain from getting loose again. And check this thing out. This is out of BMWs, 2 BMWs where the timing chain, the plastic guides failed. Okay, one of them was from a stretch chain, and number 2, the guide itself, okay, the tensioner failed, and as a result the timing chain got loose, it snapped practically, it had a slap, and it caused damage, okay, to the timing chain guides. So even though the chain itself on this one is really heavy duty chain, guys, okay, it's really good quality chain, plastic guides and the timing chain tensioner are components that can easily fail. So we will explain, okay, that's why it's important to replace them. We'll have a complete video how to replace timing chain tensioners, okay, timing marks, all that stuff, step by step. Now when it will fail, you never know. On that BMWs, that was a weak spot. They fell at about 70,000 miles. One had 71,000 miles, one had 84,000 miles. Both of them failed. The same engine on 2 different cars, the same kind of engine. One was even 5 Series, one was 3 Series, but it's known as the BMW N20 engine. On this one, I will make a special video that will explain how often to change the timing chain, so check it out. It will be on the channel. We will talk all about that. Video will be published very soon. We'll be taking it completely apart. We want to show you the different components, and then we will explain how often you need to change it. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, and see you guys next time.